Hi, want to know what's up this week? Tomorrow night we will have Deaf Night at Rochester Museum of Science Center. Center for Residence Life is hosting a no voice zone. Thursday, ASL Lecture Series is hosting a guest speaker named Eric Epstein. Then after, SLT will host Coffee Chat with Eric. Friday, NTID Office of Diversity and Inclusion and NTID Performing Arts are hosting Black Poetry and Black Lives Matter panel discussion. Friday night, Deaf Volleyball Association has a game. Last but not least, Saturday, Deaf Volleyball Association has another game. Enjoy your week!